folks, I'm back down at the range again, and as promised I've got two different rifles to test the Hades through. The Brocock Concept Elite, that was fine out to 50 yards, getting 5-inch groups. So with me today I've got the Falcon Prairie light hunter ball barrel, and I've got the BSA R10 Mark II. Both different barrels, and it's all about your barrels really when you shoot pellets. So I'm going to put the Hades through them. I'm going to start at 25 yards this time and then work my way out from there. I think I'll start off with the R10 first, and then we'll go on to the Falcon. Like I say, the BSAs, the R10s are quite a popular rifle, so it should be interesting really to see if they work through this one. Falcons are no longer made, but there are still a lot of them out there, and like I say, it's down to the barrels really. So we'll get on with the test. Right then, I've set two targets, one at 25, one at 30. Like I say, I'll be shooting with the R10 first and then the Falcon. I was hoping to chronograph this, but I think the batteries have gone in this. I've not got no spares on this. One more time. No. Okay, so we're not be chronographing. Just get on with the test. So then, first okay. I'm going for the top red circle. The wind is blowing from behind and slightly to the left. Okay, break at 25. So I'm going for the left hand circle. That went where I was aiming up, to be honest. Yeah, When picked up again. That's it. That's it. Okay. Seem to be doing okay. Give it one more magazine. Go for the left hand yellow dot this time. I'll aim dead centre and we'll just see where it's going. Yeah, it's still blowing it to the left. See what a 10 shot group will do. It's grouping fine at 25. That's it, okay. So 25, no props. Just fill this one up and then we'll go up to 30 now. Yeah, it is drizzling now. Yesterday it was raining all day. The night before we had really bad thunderstorms. And we had flash floods within a 5-mile radius of where I live, and within minutes it was like 2 foot deep in lots of different places where it was low lying. There's cars stuck in the rain at traffic lights and all sorts. If I can find some videos I'll post it, but bloody hell, the roads are like rivers. It's crazy. Luckily enough we live slightly up a gradient, so it all flowed past us, but some weren't so lucky. Right, 30 yards now. Scope I'm using is a BSA scope. It is recording, yeah. So again, top dot. Alright, I'm going to adjust for the wind because it's going to be like this right the way through, I think. So I'll go right. See where the wind's pushing it. The ones in the middle are when it's dropping off a bit, I think. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay then. 30 yards at the yellow dot. I'll aim for the 3 o'clock position, hopefully we'll get it in the middle. Like where I was aiming at. Okay, shooting fine again. Like I say, the lateral movement is the wind. Okay, that's 25 and 30 with the R10, it's shooting fine. So we'll now move on to the Falcon, see how that lights the barrel. Okay, then moving on to the Falcon, 25 yards. Right. As you can see, these are really laser pinpoint. I know it's high, but very accurate at 25. Feeling that's a loaded one anyway. The magazines on this can be a bit temperamental. That's it, I think. Okay, so consider that well on at 25, and the way that's grouped, this is probably going to do well right out to 55 yards, to be honest. It always has been like the go-to rifle, this one, for accuracy. I think on these there was later Walford barrels when it got to the prairies. Right, I'll move up now to 30 yards. Across. Okay. Just do the parallax in. That's it. Yeah, 8 shots. Okay then, so at 30 yards with these barrels, they're still well inside a 5p piece. The only effect on it is the wind today again. So I'll do some targets for 35 and 40 yards now. Okay then, first one out now, 35 yards. That was the old 10. And it started to rain, the wind's picked up. Just going to hold that point of aim. That one there. I think it's coming out. Just make sure. It could be yeah, there's no tin in it. Jeez. Right. There we go then. See the wind's pushing it to the left. That's it, behaving alright. Right, go out to 40 now. Now 40 yards really, that is probably your maximum range you should be shooting at for shooting rabbits and things. You can go further, but only when it's a really calm day, no wind, and you've got your rifle set up and you know your holdovers and everything for the pellet you're shooting. I mean, somebody like Si Pitaway, I mean, he can do it out 70 yards, but I mean, he's very experienced, his range finds everything, and he knows his rifles well. But even he don't shoot when it's too windy. It's too far. You want to make sure you get a good hit every time. Right. We're going to push it out to 40 yards now. Like I say, the wind is picking up even more. Yards then. That wind's really picking up. Blowing it off to the left. Now if you look there are two groups going off, and I know exactly what it is, my pulse. Depends which end of my pulse I'm shooting on. One's going high, one's going low, and that's all that is. So I can tell when I'm firing it. Obviously the further out you get, the more it's enhanced. That's all that is. So although it does look spread out a bit, if you check the red out, what's in the middle, and if you check that at the bottom 7 o'clock position, there's a little group going off there, then there's 3 outside of it. That's down to my pulse. And you can check that out when you're shooting, especially when you zoom in a lot, because if you zoom in a long way, everything's enhanced through your scope, so you can see the scope bouncing. That's your pulse. Well, it's all getting it right, and that's why it's good to be fit, because if you're really fit, you can slow your heart rate down. Well, I'm bloody 60 this year, and I'm not army fit anymore, that's for sure. So you get the idea. Right, so we'll now go out with the Falcon. This will be the limit, because past that now, with the way the wind's blowing, it's starting to rain as well. It's not going to be a good account of what the pellet's doing, but even out to 40 yards, these are capable of 5 piece groups easily anyway. And I think that Falcon's going to improve on this one even, but I mean, they've got all very capable. .35 yards. Most of them are more or less going through the same hole, so this barrel really likes them. Okay, that's 35 yards. So I'll go up to 40 next. There's the last group at 40 yards coming up. Falcon Prairie BM Night Hunter. Yards then. Okay, a bit of a drop off there, extra 5 yards. Wind. Tell that one's pushing it across. You look at the line, it's all lateral. But, 40 still grouping 5 pences. So if it's good enough for 40 yards, it's good enough. I've only got 2 more offs with trifle this. The other one is my normal break-up concept, which shouldn't be shooting any different to the break-up concept elite. Same barrel, same rifle really. And the other one is my Gamay Whisper, which is a gas run. I'm sorry to say the wind's upsetting this. Nah. Some single shot loading, taking me longer between shots. I don't think that's helping much with the weather. Okay, last one that. Okay, so main group's okay actually, still within 5p. So that's 40 yards, both rifles, both shooting them alright as far as I'm concerned. I know some people are having problems, but like I say, it's probably down to the barrel or the weather. Could be a lot of things. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that little test. I mean, 3 different days doing it now. So JSB Hades 177. They are a different shape to the 2.2s. The 2.2s are Diablo shape, these are more bullet shape. So you probably will get some rifles that don't like them. Diablos always do well normally, but these are doing okay through mine. So all these rifles tend to like these sort of pellet shapes anyway, what I've got. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, let's have a go at the bell ringer. About 35 yards. I'm shooting, I'm aiming on the outside. That's the belt, one of the belt. That's it. Okay, that's that. Too windy.